Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making arepa de huevo, which is a Colombian street food. It's an arepa with an egg and then it's deep fried. This is a delicious snack that could be enjoyed at any time of the day. I hope you enjoy my video. So we start the recipe with 1 cup of hot water, and then to the hot water we will be adding a half a teaspoon of food coloring. In this case I'm using Sazón Goya, which is just a food coloring that also comes with some sort of flavoring. Next I'll be adding half a teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt and dissolve that into the hot water mixture. Now I'm adding in 1 cup of white pre-cooked cornmeal, and I'm adding it slowly to make sure that it mixes evenly. Once the cornmeal has absorbed the water, I'm going to knead it with my hands until the dough is smooth and has no more lumps. Once my dough is smooth, I divide the dough into 6 equal pieces. I'm using a tortilla press with plastic so that the arepa doesn't get stuck onto the tortilla press. And I'm gonna flatten it, not with too much pressure, just gently. We don't want them to be too flat, or else the pockets of air won't form. Once the oil reaches 350 degrees, I'm going to let the arepa sink to the bottom. When it begins to rise, I'm going to start covering it up with more oil to help the arepa puff up. We want the arepa to puff up because we will be putting the egg inside and then refrying it. After about 2 to 3 minutes of cooking, I'm going to remove the arepa and let them cool down. I'm cracking the egg into a cup that will be easy to place into the arepa. It'll be a lot easier if you have a pointy lip cup, but in this case I'm just using a small shot glass. I'm also seasoning it with some salt. Once the arepa is cool enough to handle, I'm going to make a cut on the side about 1.5 inches. Now I'm going to carefully pour the egg inside the arepa and immediately put it back into the hot oil and let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. I let my arepa cook for about 3 minutes at 350 degrees, and the center, the yolk, was still kind of gooey, so if you want it to be a little bit more cooked, you can cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And now I'm all done. This is a delicious dish to enjoy for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. I prefer mine for breakfast with some Colombian hot chocolate or coffee, and it's super yummy. Thank you for watching my video, and if you'd like to learn more about cooking and baking, I post new videos every week. Thanks and bye!